I'm gonna post some Minecraft episodes maybe tomorrow or later. I don't know. But let's play a raid first. I do not kiss. Okay, we just need to play a raid. Oh God, it's noisy. Blah 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 blah. Y'all, maybe this is. Do I have a chance to get copyrighted by the games, y'all? Because I don't know, y'all. I'll just keeping my volume down, so I'm just safe. So be safe. Okay, someone's near me. Uy. Okay, someone's.
Ano ba tayo mag-join sa'yo? Knockout pa rin nilalaro mo.
No, I'm not playing knockout. Okay, someone's definitely running to me. Someone is definitely following me. Oh God. Oh God. Something is following me and I don't like it. That chase, bro, not me. Stop, bro. Yes. I'm gonna save more people since I like it. It's quite fun. Okay, got saved. Oh, someone died here? Yeah, it's like up here. It's like up here. Where are you, bro? You didn't still join me. Where the person died? Oh, it's up here. I'm not gonna die. Okay, I died. Where the hell am I going?
Oh my goodness. Bro, can you revive
Bro, can you help me, bro? I help you.
I got killed when I spawned. I got killed when I spawned, bro. Oh,
Someone's helping me. The player Dark is helping me because I revived him when he died.
Okay, bro, I fell.
I kinda like this game.
Someone dies, eh?
Where are you?
I'm here.
Let me see. I do not see an
I'm here
inch
in
of
the
you.
green. There you go, I see you.
Oh, there you go.
Wait. Where are you at?
Wait, I dropped them.
You fell?
Bro,
Bro, someone's chasing.
let me just help someone. I'm just gonna run
Someone's
first.
chasing you.
That's the monsters from the game. Survive best time here. Revives 1. What did you revive? Yeah, Dark and this. Moonhiba. Yeah, Dark and Moonhiba.
Where are you at? I'm here.
Where?
I'm here.
Where are you? Broken stuff. Oh, it's the
I'm
kitten.
here at the pink one.
I'm on top of the green one.
Now I'm the green.
We can jump from here.
I'm going to the normal.
I'm just trying. Round started. Survive for 3 minutes.
Where are you at?
Bro, I see you. Hi.
Oh my god, there's a freaking green. I'm here at the blue one and the blue.
Bro, can you stop moving for a minute?
Let's fit in here in this orange. I mean the yellow.
Just gonna follow you though. I do not like this map. Oop! I'm safe, I guess.
do.
Mama, baboy daw.
Dada. Bingo. Yeah, yes. Come on, come on. Yeah, I'm just following you behind. Come on, it's enough here, dude. Oh, it's not enough. Keep running.
He just connected.
Okay, bro, start running. They are following me. Follow me anymore, I guess. Where should we go? Here? Are you following me? I must spam jump so we can go there faster. Let's go up here. The red pillar.
Akin na yung cellphone ko, nak. 7, 3,
Turo na nila ate mag-ano ha. Count ka muna.
Ouch.
Mag-count ka, Chel. Tala dito. Turuan ka na mag-count.
Here again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ay! 6, 7, 8.
Special.
Sabi mo 8. 9, 10. Ready? Here it comes.
Huwag kang tatay sa sala, sinasabi ko sa'yo, Lucky.
Oh my god.
Ay, tapang ah.
I'm liking that.
Pa,
Okay, I'm liking.
ano nga kainin nyo? Matutulog na ako.
Bro, you're so lucky you haven't died even though you're just standing straight up.
Kayo, anak.
No,
Di pa naman sira yung kanin, di ba?
I don't know.
Di pa naman.
Okay.
You dead?
No, I'm not dead.
Oh, there. Hello.
Hello. I keep from here. I'm just trying to launch myself for fun. Stronger. Get over.
Oh,
Okay ka lang?
There's a person just right here in my viewport.
ayan ang pagkain nyo.
Ano na lang? Saan ba bibili?
Tulog na lang.
Ano
Nah,
ako?
I don't care.
Ay, hindi ka lating tusino.
Ayun, araw-araw wala ito sino.
Hindi ano na, Maling. Okay lang?
Maling. Oh my god.
Araw-araw maling ulam mo. Ano ka ba?
Why?
Hindi ka
Bakit ba? Oh my god. Oh, I slide up. Oh my god. Bro, help me. I died. I mean, there's just on the green one.
Yan, hindi ka kaya
Oh my god, I'm dead!
Where are you, though? So much stronger. For longer.
Nagkukumpuni kami
Malinis
dito.
pa itong tinapay dito, pa.
Nagkukumpuni
Tara
kami
ba?
dito. Be, tingnan mo kami dito.
So,
Oh my god.
so there are y'all. I'm gonna save y'all all. Probably.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna meet y'all there.
Ano? Ano ulam niyo?
Nagkukumpuni kami dito.
That's where y'all went.
Yeah.
Uy,
That's
Lucky, wala
where
na
y'all
yan.
all
Naubos
went.
niyo. Atay na ko, pati yung kanin.
You should go this one.
I'll pick this one. Default. Default. Ooh, arena.
Kahit saan ka magpunta, musapang mong waloy.
Where are you?
I'm just here on the yellow one.
Kami ng kang tubig.
Okay, let's go.
Oy, Bosoy, pag nakita mo na
Okay. I'm gonna go here.
ano na, pareho kay Maling?
Opo.
O to sino ka?
Let's go here.
Maling ako.
Ikaw, Soy, Maling ka din.
Yes.
Si Papa is skilless. Malinis pa yung monay
Bro,
dito.
this is a freaking maze.
Oy,
Ano yan?
malinis pa yung monay dito.
Apo.
Oh.
Okay, maybe we're getting so close to the to the. Oh, is this a cola? I want a cola. Where are you?
Si Muna.
So,
Here. Hello.
bro. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Who's that? Oh, that's Lucky. By my feet, oh.
Where are you? I'm gonna find it.
Bro, are you blind? I'm here. Okay, you're just lost. Okay.
Okay, we just lost each other and I'm gonna run from
No, you just lost it yourself. Okay, something's here.
I need to run.
I'm stuck on a very difficult
Laki, saan ka?
spot.
Bro, this is a maze.
Laki! Oh, taray, energetic ka, punyeta ka.
Y'all didn't hear anything else, so yeah. Now where is this? I'm in a freaking maze. Okay, SpongeBob.
Oh my god, that's SpongeBob. Oh my god. Oh my god,
I was wrong
that's
when I
SpongeBob.
hurt you.
How the hell, bro? Come on, I'm just like right behind you, bro.
Tatapon ako basura, tsala. Wait
No,
lang.
we got
Dami
caught.
basura.
Oh my god. Go! Where? I'm here getting carried by this noob. Bro. Let's go up. Let's go up. I see some more players up
Oh
there.
my god. Oh, this. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh. Yes! He saved me! Did he save you? Come on, let's go! It's not gonna work any longer.
Dang, this person. This person.
Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm just gonna run. Okay. I'm lost.
Oh my god, oh my god.
April?
I'm not freaking getting killed. I'm not freaking getting killed.
There's so many dead people and I'm not going back there. So I'm outside here again. Can I help you, bud?
Bro, help
Why?
me, bro. I'm gonna save these people.
Where are
See, I
these
get
people?
killed.
Where are y'all though? I don't know, where are y'all?
Nagkukumpinin na kami dito, guys.
I do not know where y'all went. But SpongeBob is following me. I'm gonna grab you first. I forgot to grab them. Dude, I died!
No one's gonna save
Why the hell is I'm walking backwards? Like actually I'm walking backwards.
I was gonna go save those two, but I can't.
Yeah, all of y'all are in the same spot because y'all keep trying to save each other. Y'all are right all here by the green one. And it's funny. Y'all are in the all spot trying to compete who saved them first.
Matumahin daw. Then, tumahin si Lucky.
Bro, just wait.
Butter dog. The dog with the butter. Butter dog. Oh, but the butter on him. The dog with the butter. The dog with the butter.
What you did was not nice!
The dog with the butter. Butter dog. Butter dog. The dog with the butter.
many, like, you should run off.
Tay.
Oh,
Gonna die!
so guys, maybe this is the end of the video. We had to eat, so yeah. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.